Hello, this is Lakshya. Welcome back to Coding Casually, and today's topic is Excel macros and how to use it. And I don't know why in 2021 even people are asking me why do we need to learn Excel macros. There are so many applications or programming languages which are available through which we can do it. We can automate stuff in Excel. However, I would like to tell you that why would you use another application to control an application which actually allows you to make alterations or make automations within. So for people who actually want to learn and how to use Excel macros and they are completely oblivious about it, they don't know how to use it. As you can see on my screen, I have an Excel file open, and if you would press Alt F11, you'll see a window which would allow you to make Excel macros. So in VBA project book 1 is basically the name of the workbook that we're working on. And suppose if we go on to insert and press module, you'll see a screen through which you can make VBA macros. Suppose if I want to write a macro which actually gives me a message box that hello, welcome to Coding Casually, what you can do is you can write sub and my first macro, and then in this space you have to write what you want to do. Suppose I want to get a message, send message box, and I could also say welcome to Coding, or then press F5, you'll see this message come up. And what else you can do? You can actually write same message in range A1. If you want to say what is range A1, basically cell 1 and cell 1 basically corresponding to row 1 and column 1. Talking about this one, so if you have to write the same, I will write A1 value welcome to my and the moment you say press F5, you'll see that's written on range A1. Similarly, if you want to write, suppose if you want to count 1 to 10, what you can do is you can write a for loop. And this is just a beginner video. If you want to actually learn how to go about VBA, you can just comment below, and I'll make a series on how to actually learn VBA, basically from zero to a job ready VBA macro developer. So for I equals to 1 to 10, so if I wish to count till 10, and my loop is I because this is I, and then I can say cells, as I said to you, cells corresponds to row and column. I want to write on cell 1, basically I equals to 1 to 10, so I becomes 1, then in column 1, then if I say value equals to I, by running, you will see 1 to 10 count. This is how you use VBA macro. You can actually record it as well. If you want to record it, you can simply write and go on to hey, you'll be getting a record button. Right now I'm not getting, probably you'll get it. So you can press that record button and then write, but that is something that I really don't prefer to have, because then you would be limited with what you would not be able to put conditions in your coding, and that is bad. And when I say conditions, I am talking about suppose if I say that don't write 5, okay, I don't want to write 5. So if I equals to 5, then do nothing, or else you can do this. So it would not write 5, that is for sure. And if you've opened if, you have to close if as well. If I run this, you'll see 1, 2, 3, 5 is missing, and 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is how we use VBA macros. This is how we develop them. Recording is not at all the right approach to go about it. And if you want to learn, as I told you, that just put a comment below that I really want to learn. I'll make a series on it. And please subscribe to the channel if you want to know about these stuff, about this stuff or the other stuff. Please like the video, and as I told you, just comment and I'll make a video. Thank you.